the gay Igbo man who is juicy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, protected by my ancestors, highly protected, divinely protected, amazing, wonderful. I got one of the cameras I wanted to get. I got one today and the other one is coming next week. I am super excited. When we get back and park, I will show you the camera. My ancestors love me so much. They do. They are doing all the things. I have had headache like literally all day today. It is crazy. I need to get some really good sleep. Absolutely I do. I am super excited. Oh my days. We just parked. My man went into the flat. I am going to show you the camera. I got this Fujinon XF23mm f2.RWR lens. This is the lens. This is the camera. It's X-T5. I am super gassed. This camera I'm going to be using for the next 10 years. This is my forever camera. The color science on this is amazing and it's weatherproof. It is solid. Thank you so much for spending the day with this juicy, sexy, hydrated, moisturized Igbo gay man from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State, protected and guided by my ancestors. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.